Hidden in this black box behind me on the screen is the secret to selling more of your affiliate offers. And if you don't know this secret, it's costing you dearly. So stick with me.
This is my man, Keala Kanae.
Keala Kanae, he takes entrepreneurs on a journey to grow their business.
So listen, before I share with you the secrets that are hidden in this black box behind me on the screen, let me add some context really quick. At the moment that I'm filming this video right now, this calendar month, my company should cross over $100 million in overall revenue that we've generated over the last 6 or 7 years or so. And on top of that, every year we generate millions, several millions even, of commissions that we earn selling other people's products or services. So with that said, it's probably no surprise then that I often get asked by people, hey, my offer isn't converting as well as I would like it to. Do you have any tips or pointers that could help me increase my sales? And so typically the first question that I'm gonna ask is, can you explain to me clearly what the offer is? Now, most people at that point will begin to explain the product or service that they're selling, and that is the cardinal sin, because your product and service is not the same thing as your offer. And if you don't know the critical distinction between these two, well, then I can assure you that you're leaving lots of money on the table. And that's true whether or not you are the creator of that product or service, or you're an affiliate trying to sell somebody else's product or service. See, every offer is comprised of 4 key elements. And if you don't know what those elements are, and more importantly, how to tweak and adjust those elements in order to make your offer more compelling, then I can assure you, you are not getting the kind of conversions that are possible in your business. So let's dive in. Every offer is comprised of these 4 elements: product, price, bonuses, terms. Literally every product that you've purchased in your entire life was ultimately comprised of these 4 elements. And I'm talking about, not just online, but even in person too. Even when you go to a grocery store, ultimately you are compelled by these 4 components: product, price, bonuses, and terms. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be focused on affiliates. And so as an affiliate, you probably noticed right out of the gate that you have no control over the product and the price. That's obviously going to be created by the company that generated the product or service that you're currently promoting. However, what you might not realize is that you do in fact have control over the bonuses and the terms. And by changing bonuses and terms, ultimately you change the offer. Make the offer more compelling, you'll sell more of it, and you'll earn more commissions. So that's what we're going to focus on for the purposes of this video right now. So when I first got started online as an affiliate, I was promoting an online course. And that company that had created the course, you could go to their website anytime, day or night. You could buy that product any day of the week. Fairly quickly, I realized that as an affiliate, this company had tens of thousands of affiliates. There was no benefit to anybody buying from me versus just going straight to the company's website or purchasing from most of the other affiliates out there. So the question became, how can I make this more compelling to someone who's considering buying this product? How can I make it more compelling to want to buy from me, is thing one, and how can I make them want to make that decision faster, creating more urgency and or scarcity? That's thing two. And that's what started me down this road that I'm about to share with you now. And when it comes to bonuses, I realized that if I could add on some additional bonuses that nobody else out there was offering, then the only way that they could get those bonuses would mean that they had to purchase through me as the affiliate. So they couldn't just, learn about it from me or hear about it from me and then skip over me and go to the company's website and buy, because they would have to buy through me in order to get those bonuses. Now, when it comes to bonuses, ultimately what we're doing is just looking for a way to help the customer get their desired end result, easier, faster, or saving time or saving money. That's basically the goal. Now, on the next piece is I needed to make sure that I had a compelling reason for them to make that decision right away. Because when somebody can just kick that can down the road, well, that's what they tend to do. So at the time, I didn't have any results from that product or service that I was selling. I was just getting started, just starting to use the product myself, that sort of thing. And so I went online and tried to find ways that I could add bonuses that weren't hinged on me creating the bonus. And fairly quickly, I learned about something called PLR products. PLR stands for private label rights. What private label rights products means is that somebody else creates a product and then you pay a price one time in order to get the rights to resell that product. So you pay for the product once, and now you can repackage it, you can put your name on it, you can put your company logo on it. Basically, you can take credit for creating that product, and you can sell it over and over and over and over and over again, and you don't owe any of that revenue to the company that actually originally made that product. I like to use a website called plr.me. In fact, every now and then we still use some of the stuff off of that website, although it's much more rare these days. Regardless of what niche you're in, you can probably find PLR products. You just go to Google and type in private label rights products for, and then your niche. So private label rights products for, health and fitness, private label rights products for dating and relationships, or something like that. And you will likely find them. I found them in all sorts of niches that I promoted offers in. So the easiest thing to do was to go out and find somebody else's products that they'd already created. And when it comes to PLR, I was able to find, there's even online courses in there sometimes, or somebody's created a course along with all the videos and everything, and even PDFs that you can buy one time and resell it as if it's your own. There's lots of cheat sheets, guides, plans, all sorts of stuff out there that you can find that you can repurpose, repackage, and sell as if it was your own. So the first thing that I did is I looked for PLR products that were complementary to the product that people were already going to buy from me. So what was it, how could it help them get that desired end result faster? So as an example, let's say that it was a book on, how to grow your audience using social media. Well, if I found an ebook on that, a couple hundred pages, I could easily say, that's another, $20 worth of value. Let's break this down just a little bit clearer. We're not just talking about finding the bonuses, but now in order to make this really compelling, I've got to assign a value to each of those bonuses. So like I said, maybe it's an ebook and I say it's worth 20 bucks. Maybe I say, there's this additional online course that I'm going to throw in for you. It's worth 50 bucks. And so what I want to do is compile enough bonuses in the offer that the value of the bonuses alone, if they were to go out and try to buy those things themselves, the value of the bonuses alone outweighed the price of them buying the product from me. In other words, the bonuses alone were worth more than the price of the product that they were buying. Now next, I needed to increase their ability to make a decision quickly. And so I began to adjust the terms, and I'd say, now when you buy by this Friday, or when you get started, or when you lock in your seat by this coming Tuesday, or whatever it was, that's how you're gonna get the bonuses. So I had to give them bonuses and a time limit. Okay. Now here's what that looked like emailed out to my list of leads. Hey, if you are still on the fence about whether or not you should purchase XYZ product, I wanted to make this easier and simple for you than it's ever been to make a decision today. Notice the language there, make a decision today, right? So I'm increasing the urgency right away. When you make the decision today to get started, I'm going to throw in, this bonus that is valued at $20, and I briefly explain what it is. Then I'm going to throw in this other bonus, brief description, easily valued at $50. Then I'm going to throw in this additional bonus, brief description, easily valued at an additional $10. And I'll just compile a few of these PLR products and explain why they were worth as much as I was saying that they were worth. Assign a value to them and show them that the value of those alone was greater than the price. And then I'd say, now you might be wondering, what's the catch? Why would I offer all of these bonuses? Well, I'm just feeling generous right now. And in order for you to secure these bonuses, you must decide by midnight tonight, or you must decide by midnight tomorrow, or you must decide by this Friday, or whatever it is. And right away, I start to see a rapid change in my conversions from my email list. Right away, more people were buying, I was earning more commissions, and my business basically changed forever after that. Now, as I continued to go down this road, I soon started to learn that this worked even to increase back-end sales, meaning when somebody would buy something from me, and they were coded to me as the affiliate, well, yeah, great, they bought that company's product. But if I could get them to buy, a bigger package from that company, I could earn even more commissions. And so I would start mailing the people who had purchased, I would email them and offer them some additional bonuses as well if they would upgrade to additional packages. Over time, once I began to get actual results from those products, well then I would even be willing to offer some high touch bonuses. In other words, when you upgrade to, this package by this Friday, I'm gonna jump on a one-to-one call with you and show you some of the things that are working for me right now that have helped me get results even faster, so I'll save you some of the time and the headache. Or, for everybody who locks in their seat by this coming Thursday, I'm gonna do a group call and I'm gonna show you, 3 things that I've learned from that product that I've executed on and that have helped me get, XYZ results. And what I found out very quickly is that the more high touch the bonuses were, the more high ticket products people were willing to spend. These simple hacks changed my business forever. And so what's critical to understand here as an affiliate is that even though you are selling somebody else's product or service, you do retain the ability to create a brand new offer that nobody else out there is offering. And that means that the people who learn about that product or service from you can only get that offer from you, which secures your positioning in the marketplace. And the simplest way to do that is to change the bonuses and the terms so that you have created a brand new offer that's unique to you. So listen, I hope you got value out of this video, my friend. Whether you are a product creator selling your own products or services or an affiliate selling somebody else's products or services, the same principles apply. And if you're somebody who is committed to more success in your life or your business or both, well then make sure that you subscribe and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every week when I drop more content like this. By the way, in case you never met before, my name is Keala Kanae. I'm an entrepreneur who got started a few short years ago while working in a coffee shop like this, and I've gone on now to build multiple 7- and 8-figure businesses, which I say only so that you know that everything I share on my channel comes from real world knowledge of things that I've learned and applied that have helped me create those results. And I share them here in hopes that they help you create similar results as well. So make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every week when I drop more content. And make sure you watch that next video in the lineup where I'm gonna share with you more tricks to help you increase your sales and conversions. I'll see you there.